एक बिगनर 20 मिनट तक इंग्लिश बोल सकता है क्या लगातार? लेट्स फाइंड आउट। मेरे पास आपके लिए भी एक चैलेंज है, तो वीडियो स्किप मत कीजिएगा एंड एट द एंड कमेंट द मिस्टेक्स दैट यू हैव नोटिस्ड। जय तारण तारण दोस्तों, माय नेम इज साक्षी एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक इंग्लिश 20 मिनट विदाउट स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी। So if you are learning English, so comment I am learning too. Few months ago, I was afraid to speak English, but today I am going to speak English 20 minutes. I am not perfect, but I am improving every day. Let's start. So what we are going to talk today? As I told you before, I am improving my English every day, and for this I am doing shadowing, writing, reading and practicing. So today I watched a video. In that video there were 4 characters: Bella, Joe, mother and father. They were thinking to go to buy furniture, but they were busy, so they couldn't make it. But one day what happened, when they were sitting in living room, not all the family members, there were only 3 family members: Bella, mother and father. And Joe was doing his homework in his room. So what happened, all the family members who were sitting in living room, they heard the noise. So like dhalam. So they went to Joe's room, and what did they see? They saw there were pen, paper, wood around the Joe, and Joe was sitting in the middle. And Joe explained them, I was doing my homework, and then suddenly branch bang and collapsed. And Bella laughed at him. He said, "You are looking so funny." Always sister do. So what happened? Mother said, "Okay, this is sir. We are going to furniture shop at the weekend, and we will buy new bed for Bella and a study table for Joe." And then weekend they went furniture shop. There, when Bella saw there were a sofa, Bella saw that sofa and she started jumping on the sofa, and she said, "Wow, mom, it's feel like trampoline." Yeah, it's trampoline, it's feel like trampoline. Yes, trampoline. It's feel like trampoline. So she was jumping on the sofa. So her father said, "Bella, you are going to break something, so please stop." And then went to a scum chair, and there were a chair, and she climbed on that chair, and then she was sitting on that chair and said, "I love that too, mom, I want this." Her mother said, "Bella, don't do this." And she told her, "Come with me." And then they chose a sofa, almirah, cupboard, a bed for Bella. But when they were choosing a study table, there were a huge study table. There were a big study table actually. So Joe liked that table, but his mother and father were not like it. So mom said, "This study table is so big, and in your room there is no space to fit it." And father said, "This table is too small. There is no space for your homework." But Joe said, "No, I want this. This is enough for me." So Bella's mother said, "This shop have a cafe. So let's go to have a coffee. So we will discuss there it." And all of them, they were agree with her. And Bella's mom said to Bella, "Bella, are you agree?" But Bella were not with her. So mom looked behind because Bella didn't give answer. So she looked behind and said, "Where is Bella? Maybe she is jumping on the sofa." So they went there, but Bella was not jumping on the sofa, and they were worried. So Joe said, "Maybe she is spinning on the scum chair." Sorry, not scum. She is spinning on the spun chair. Spun, yeah, SPUN, spun chair. So he went there, but so there were a girl who was skipping. So he thought that this is a Bella, but when he saw nearly, that girl was not Bella. So he was more worried and said to mom, "Mom, this is not Bella." And then they searched everywhere. Where is Bella? Joe was about to cry. And suddenly Joe told his mother, "Mom, look at there. Bella's shoes is there." So Bella's shoes was underneath the chair, underneath the study table that Joe was wanted to buy. And when they saw Bella was sleeping, asked her, "Bella, why are you sleeping here?" And mom was angry and said, "Bella, don't do this again." So she said, "Mom, I didn't do it exactly. I was only watching that this study table is big enough to play houses or not. That's why I was sitting under it. But I don't know how did I fall asleep." Bella's father said, "Bella, don't do it regularly, and not make any scene." And Bella's mother was also agree. And then they went to have a coffee. Bella ordered a chocolate shake, and Joe ordered a milkshake of banana flavor. And then they have their coffee. After that, and they buy a they buy a cupboard, bed, almirah, study table, and bed for Bella. So I saw in this video, Bella is the apple of eye of their parents, because you can think, if we did this, what our family did do with us. We can imagine. And the other thing is, my English is not perfect and I'm improving every day, so I will come with another video, and one day I will speak English fluently. I know that. At the last, this is the day one of my learning English journey. मैं आज के जो चैलेंज थी उसमें फेल हो चुकी हूँ, और 20 मिनट तक इस वीडियो को कंटिन्यू नहीं रख पाई इंग्लिश के साथ. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, अब आगे चैलेंज लिया है तो और भी दिन है, उसमें भी मैं अपनी वीडियो चैनल पे पोस्ट करने वाली हूँ. सो मैं इस चैनल पे पोस्ट करती रहूँगी जो वीडियोस मैं प्रैक्टिस करूँगी, और साथ में वो चीज़ें भी पोस्ट करूँगी जैसे मुझे कुछ समझ में आता है कि भाई ये मिस्टेक्स हम करते हैं और ये मिस्टेक्स हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए, ताकि जो बिगनर है वो इन मिस्टेक्स को करने से बचे. तो अगर आप भी मेरी इस जर्नी में जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. एंड बिफोर यू लीव, टेल मी द वन थिंग, कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपको कॉन्फिडेंटली इंग्लिश बोलने से रोक रही है.